Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's talk about the varnish that I use in every painting that I finish. So the brand, it's from the brand Focus, and by far actually this is the only varnish that I've ever used, and I've never thought of switching to any varnish that I'm currently using because I'm a bit scared, because I know the other varnishes out there are kind of expensive, but this one is really cheap. By far, this is the cheapest varnish that I've found on Shopee. So it's from the brand Focus. They call this the medium end varnish acrylic gloss polymer. So the one that I usually buy is the 250 ml one, since I paint on bigger canvases, so I need lots of varnish for my paintings. What it says at the back: it is safe and non-toxic, provides clear coating for protection against UV radiation, humidity, and dirt. It says here at the back that it's for canvas, paper, woods, and etc. It's also ideal for decoupage, scrapbooking, and more. So whenever I use my varnish, I always put it on a small container. So this is the usual size of the container that I use. Then I put just enough amount of varnish there, which I think that could cover the whole painting. So for the brush that I usually use a flat brush. I kind of make sure that it's always clean and has fine bristles. So before we apply the varnish over our painting, we always have to make sure that everything's already dry, and it should always be clean, because if there's a dirt there, it will be stuck forever with the varnish. Now that this is clean, I'll go ahead and apply the varnish in one direction only. So this is how I normally apply my varnish on my painting. Let me just fast forward this a bit. Alright, now that it's all covered, let's go ahead and wait for it to dry, and then let's make sure that the remaining varnish on our cup will be covered by its lid so that it won't get dry, and we can use it on our other paintings. Let's go ahead and put in the time lapse, and let's wait for this one to dry. And as you can see here, the white varnish is slowly getting clearer. On this part, everything is almost dry, but I wanted to make sure that everything sets well. That's why I didn't touch it yet. Alright, now that it's dry, as you can see, the color of the painting became more vibrant. And yeah, you can see there it's really glossy. It really makes a difference for me. Plus, your painting will be protected for sure. So if I rate this varnish from around 1 to 10, and then the 10 being the highest, I think I would rate it around an 8, because it's almost perfect for me. I can't really compare it to other varnish yet, since I have not tried the other varnishes, because I'm kind of scared. You know, it's chemical, might ruin your painting. You don't know what will happen in the future. But I will try to buy a different kind of varnish so that I will be able to tell if this varnish is really that amazing. But for me, right now, in my current status, I can definitely recommend for you to try this varnish since it's really cheap, affordable, and it's really easy to use, and I think it's friendly, not toxic. Just a little bit warning, it kind of smells like a glue and the texture is like a glue as well, but I think you will have fun using it since it's like a glue. Anyways, if you have any recommendations from me for a varnish that I should try, please put that down on the comments below so that I will be able to find it somewhere and buy it, and then I will be able to try it on my paintings as well. Please don't hesitate to put any kind of recommendations down there or any suggestions. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get to watch my other videos since I really worked hard to make them. And yeah, if you want more art videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again on my next video. Goodbye.